Let's look at how to use the Enablement package to update a compatible Windows computer to Windows 11 version 23H2. If you have installed the quality updates that Microsoft released on October 31st, 2023, the KB5031455 updates, your Windows computer should have the Copilot app, other apps, changes, and features of Windows 11 version 23H2. But when you run the winvar command, your computer will still show version 22H2. Another way to check the version of your computer is to go to System, About, and scroll until you can see these Windows specifications. You can see the version is 23H2. To update to be fully on Windows 11 version 23H2, you need to click Windows Update and turn this on. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Make sure it's on and check for updates. If it doesn't show you the feature update, the KB5027397, for you to download and install, you need to do so manually. Let's click Update History. Again, if you have installed these quality updates, KB5031455, you should have the Copilot app, other apps, changes, and features of version 23H2. You need the feature update, the KB5027397, to be fully on Windows 11 version 23H2. We go to the browser now. I will leave you this link in the description. When you are here, you need to scroll to where you can download the Enablement package. If you use Intel or AMD, you can install the .msu package. You can run the cabinet file, which is less in size, but I suggest you go with the .msu package. And if you have Windows computer on like Mac with the Apple Silicon chip, this is the one to run on that computer. We click to download this. We can open it from here, but let's go to the downloads folder. We right click, we click open. Wait for it to finish, and it will ask you to reboot your computer. After that, your Windows computer, you see it says it's already installed on this computer. Yours will not be this response. Follow through, reboot your computer, and your computer will be fully on Windows 11 version 23H2. Leave your feedback, please. What do you think of Windows 11 version 23H2? And where did you see this video from? Thank you again for your trust and your time.